Hey there. Here's what's moving today. The market overall feels a little cautious, but stocks had a strong day with technology companies and gold climbing. The S&P 500 was up over 1.5%. Gold gained over 3%, and market jitters eased. US economic growth slowed unexpectedly last quarter, impacting the Federal Reserve. Japan intervened in the yen. Markets are weighing slower growth and AI's mixed outlook. SanDisk Corporation soared about 26% today amid strong AI demand and a hedge fund completing its selling. Today, the technology sector had a very strong session, rising nearly 5%, while communication was the weakest performer, down about 2.5%. Overall, 6 of the 11 sectors ended the day higher, with 5 closing lower. Four of the Magnificent 7 tech stocks were higher today. Microsoft was up about 16%. US economic growth for the second quarter came in at 1.5% below expectations. The semiconductor fund was up about 8.5%, the biggest move of the day. That helped lift tech sector sentiment. Intel led today, trading about 134 million shares. Quite a mover. Microsoft also saw big volume, up over 15%. The most traded names generally pushed higher. For earnings this week, Microsoft beat estimates, while Meta Platforms missed. ExxonMobil's results are still awaited. Morgan Stanley also goes ex-dividend. US Treasury yields moved higher, with the 5-year at 4.38%, the 10-year up 4 basis points to 4.66%, and the 30-year at 5.21%. Separately, the high-yield corporate bond fund was up about 0.33%. The US dollar index eased about 0.75% today. The Japanese yen strengthened about 3% against the dollar, and the Korean won strengthened about 2%. Let's check in on markets around the globe. Overnight, we saw mixed performance across Asian markets. European markets were also mixed as their sessions closed. The biggest move we're tracking came from South America, where Brazil's Bovespa index rose about 2%. Oil eased slightly today, while corn surged about 4%. Metals rallied broadly, and natural gas and wheat also edged up. Bitcoin edged up about 1% to trade around $65,000. Marathon Digital was up about 18%, and Cardano rose about 5%, as crypto assets and related stocks saw stronger gains. US growth is at 1.5%, so people are watching what the central bank says about rates. Gold is also up around $4,170. Leading the model's 3-name watch list this month is Globe Life, up about 3% since its entry. Our discussion for today has concluded. We'll be back at the usual time and place on July 31st.